Yes, guys, welcome back again. Yeah, what's up, everyone? Namaste to the Indian viewers and namaste to the football fans, guys. Let's support football this time. It is not cricket. Yes, I know Cricket World Cup is going, and yes, guess what? Who is going to win? Since South Africa lost against Australia, I'm so sad. I'm really so sad as African. But anyway, this is the sport, and every sport is about winning and losing. So for now, I'm supporting India, guys. Australia should be beaten by Indian. All the best Indian cricket team for the Cricket World Cup. We are waiting, yeah. And so today is not about cricket. Now, let's go back to football. I am a biggest fan of football, and I'm a football player also, guys. So today, yesterday actually, guys, India played. Team India played with Kuwait, guys. It was 1-0. Congrats India for the World Cup Asia qualifier, guys. India won 1-0, and I still remember I witnessed also one of Indian game with Kuwait. It was in Bangalore. That was Asia, yeah, Southern Asia, guys. India won that the final, guys, with Kuwait. And yesterday only again they played for the qualifier World Cup, so India won. Congrats India once again. Let's check, guys. Let's watch something at least. Let's see the talent, guys. Let's also support Indian football, guys. See the talent, get to know some players. They are all the same level as Viratkohli or Burma, whoever they are, guys. They are also playing national. Virat is playing national. Why don't you support football, guys? Watch with me. If you skip, you're not Indian. Let's go.
जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता.
You should stand up.
जय हे
Jaya Jaya. Sunilchhetri is there. Jaya Hind. Number 11, Sunilchhetri is there, guys. Wow, see the ground. Just see the ground. India. See the ground. This is not cricket ground, okay? It's not round like cricket ground. This is football ground. The ground is amazing, guys.
After that ball, restart there.
I just want to see the goal, guys. Let's see the goal. Wow. Wow. Oh my God.
Here's Chetri racing.
I think Sunil is the one who
into the goal
assisted.
area, and what a goal! Finally a breakthrough, and it's
That is Sunilchhetri. It is him who scored, but assisted by Sunilchhetri.
beaten Abdul
Wow.
Rahman Marzouk, and India
Give us the
are
reply.
all the way through. It's now
Seen.
1-0.
Amazing,
And the big
amazing.
lad who
They
plays
scored a
down the
goal
wing
in 74
walked
minutes.
tirelessly down the right flank,
Number
finally
9.
able to get one through.
Seen.
Very sweet connect there with that left footer. We've got to get a look at that goal again, and the assist.
Here is the reply, guys. Let's check it. Wow, that was really
And it all
nice
broke down
assist
from the left flank.
from Sunilchhetri.
Lovely pass, and what a fine finish.
Who assisted?
And it looks like
No,
it
not
was
Sunilchhetri. It is not Sunilchhetri who assisted.
with the assist.
Yeah.
And that left foot, perfect placement there. It's a bit too tough for
But nice
Abdul
goal.
Rahman
Nice
Marzouk to
goal.
reach it.
Wow. Goalie is not ready even. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Another one. Cross. Wow, that was what?
They look to
Really?
take advantage.
Boom. Wow. Nice one. Nice one.
And Zakir.
No, not like that, man.
93, they won that opening edition, then won it 97, 99, 2005, 2011, 2015, and then 2021.
Wow, who is that? Number 17. Oh, that's a nice move, guys.
Kalyanchaubey. to roll that. He managed to get it to Hassan Al-Lanezi. It's intercepted by
very nice, good.
Straight back to Rahul Beke. Rahul Beke to Liston Colosso. That's Akash Mishra, sorry. Mishra.
Hey,
Ahmed Zanki.
very good. Good player.
From Hamad.
That's
Zakir
foul.
meeting with resistance there. From Rahul Beke.
Yes, that is
Give
foul.
that player down. It looks like it's Anirudh Thapa. And it is Faisal Al-Harbi who'll pick the second caution. So time is
They
kind
gave
of
them 5 minutes extra
getting a
time.
bit, well, scarce here for the Blue Wave. 93 minutes in,
One.
it's still Kuwait 0,
Zero.
India 1. And that's another caution
Oh, he
handed
got
out,
red card.
which means it's going to be a red card for him.
Too tight, too tight.
Faisal Al-Harbi picks up the second one.
Because he did just foul, one foul recently he did, and again he did another one. That is a red card. Go out. You want to kill our captain, Sunilchhetri, man.
Scott on appeal there with the official who's not too happy.
Oh. That's not Sunilchhetri. It's not intentional.
Well, it's actually whether intended or not intended. It's a high foot, and that does warrant for a penalty. There's no doubt about it.
It doesn't look intentional, but it's a wrong charge, guys.
So
It's a wrong
Faisal
charge.
Al-Harbi
It's a wrong charge.
gets his second yellow.
Not intentional, but it's a wrong charge. So it's a ref
it's just a
decision.
matter of time now. And that's full time right here
Okay, done.
at the Jabir Al Ahmed International Stadium in Kuwait City. Let's very quickly recap this game.
India. Congrats, India, for winning 1-0 against Kuwait, guys. We are reacting from Naughty Ayushi. Thanks, Naughty Ayushi, for this video. Amazing video, guys. So yesterday, I didn't manage to watch the game, guys, because I was a little busy. I just saw the highlight because of only one goal. And what I can say regarding the Team India, guys, like Team India, I can see really those guys, they have the spirit, guys. They have the spirit and the passion to really take India to another level. But what I can say that, like, here in India, I just realized one thing, that people are not minding about football like cricket, guys, which is really something sad. It is really so sad for all the football players, guys, and football team and the fans, guys. I don't know what is wrong, because I repeat again, this is the same level they are playing national. But I know when it comes to the game of cash, maybe football is not giving that income to India, I can say, and maybe it is taking so much of investment from India. That is why they are not minding about it that much. But let's say let's not forget, guys, at the end they are all sport, and football is one of the biggest worldwide sport, guys. So we should take it serious. I'm just requesting all the cricket fans, all the football fans, let's support the Indian team the same way you support cricket, guys. You don't know when will Sunilchhetri take you one day. He might take you to the World Cup. He might take you for the final World Cup, guys. You don't know that. India is really great. Just know that if India can be great in technological, economic, science, and those things, then why not in the sport? Just think about that, guys. Nothing is impossible, right? So just appreciate that for the little passion and the energy they are putting now, and give them your support. That is enough for them, guys. Love from Africa. Like this video, guys. In case you want to watch my vlogs, For Indian football game also I witnessed. I had one vlog there. Check, it was in Bangalore, guys. Check Gabs Gabi TV and you will watch more vlog there. Thank you so much. Tata.